Thanks, Betsy, for that business report. And other health-related news, the island's 6 cases of pertussis in recent weeks has been confirmed by laboratory tests, according to the Department of Public Health and Social Services. This case in a 13-year-old child has been linked to a previously reported case. Pertussis, commonly known as whooping cough, is a highly contagious bacterial disease of the respiratory tract. Unimmunized or incompletely immunized young infants are particularly vulnerable, according to DPHSS. The disease is primarily spread by direct contact with discharge from the nose and throat of an infected individual.